Hello, welcome to your third at-home art class. I've been doing a lot of thinking about what to do next, and I realized that we don't all have the same materials at home. Some of us might have markers, others don't have markers, but we have crayons. Some people have paint, some people don't. And I thought, let's use something everyone has. Laundry. Laundry is one thing that we all have. Doesn't matter if it's clean or dirty. Just go ahead and grab your laundry. That's right, we're using laundry to make art today. Step number 1 is going to be to just sort your laundry by color. Okay. All my clothes are sorted. So I have blacks and blues, got some greens, rainbow colored, some pinks, reds, purples, yellows, whites, tans, grays. Got it all sorted. Today I'm challenging you to make a face out of your laundry. It doesn't really matter if your face is the right colors or if it looks like you or anyone you know. Just have fun and see what kind of things you have in your laundry that you can use. I'm going to start with a pink face. Let's see if I can shape it by just tucking it under. That looks kind of like the shape of a face. Yeah, let's put it over here a little bit. Okay, now let's see. I want to make the white parts of the eyeballs. So I'm going to fold up this white shirt. Oh, that's kind of big. Do I have anything else that's white? Ooh, a pair of white socks is perfect. Let's see if I fold it over. That looks kind of like the right shape. Let's see if I can do the same thing with the other one. There. These are some big eyes. It's kind of a Picasso face, but that's okay. Let's see, what color could my eyes be? I'm gonna go over here to my blue pile because I think I have some small blue things. Oh, I found one blue sock. It has llamas in space on them. It's very silly. Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. Had to go digging through my pile. Okay, now if I kind of crumple it up in a ball, or let's see. Ooh, that works. Oh wow, that worked really well. Looks like the little colored part in the eye. Let's see if I can do the same thing. Just turning it inside out and kind of rolling it like a donut. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now I'm thinking about the nose. Oh my goodness, I need something else that's kind of small. Maybe another sock. But what color? Maybe yellow. What shape is the nose? There's my silly triangle yellow nose. Now I want to think about my mouth. Do I want it to be happy? Do I want it to be surprised, open mouth? Ooh, I have a red sweater. Ooh, maybe a red shirt will work better. Let me try this. Okay, I have this red shirt. And if I fold it like this, sometimes you have to experiment and you're not even sure what's gonna work until you have it. Oh, I think I made, well, it's a little bit big, but that looks like lips, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. This really is a silly Picasso face, isn't it? Okay, let me think. What's missing? Hair. Oh, and eyebrows. I want to give it eyebrows. Okay, let's give it black hair. I have this black towel, and I think if I do this, there, does that look like hair? I don't want the tag to show. Oh, what beautiful hair. Do I have any black socks over here? Oh, here's one. Maybe it doesn't need to be so big. See if I can fold it. One eyebrow. Well, that's kind of thick. Oh my goodness, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just having fun. I hope I have the other sock. Oh, here it is. Ta-da! There is my super silly laundry face. What do we think? I cannot wait to see your silly laundry face. Please don't forget to send me a picture. I've gotten a few pictures from people, but not very many. So don't forget, please. Have fun creating.